Welcome to this tutorial on the longest common extension problem, commonly known as LCE in this video. We will explore how to solve this string processing challenge efficiently using preprocessing techniques. Let's first define the problem. We are given a string S. The goal is to compute the length of the longest common prefix between two suffixes of that string. Starting at indices I and j, for example, in the string banana, if we compare the suffix starting at index 1 and the suffix starting at index 6, we find that they share the first three characters, an, so the answer is 3. The most intuitive way to solve this is the naive approach. We simply compare characters starting from indices I and j one by one until they mismatch. While this is simple to implement, it has a major drawback. In the worst case, this takes linear time, or order n, for every single query. If we have millions of queries, this becomes far too slow. To speed this up, we need a preprocessing strategy. Our roadmap involves 3 steps. First, we build the suffix array and the longest common prefix, or LCP, array. Second, we build a range minimum query data structure over the LCP array. Finally, we use these structures to answer any LCE query in constant time. The core components are the suffix array and the LCP array. The suffix array stores the starting indices of all suffixes sorted lexicographically. The LCP array then stores the length of the longest common prefix between adjacent suffixes in this sorted order. This structure groups similar suffixes together. Here is the key insight. The longest common extension between any two suffixes is equivalent to finding the minimum value in the LCP array between their positions in the suffix array. This transforms our string problem into a classic range minimum query problem. To solve range minimum queries efficiently, we can use a sparse table. Since our LCP array does not change, the sparse table allows us to pre-compute minimums for intervals of power of 2 lengths. This gives us the ability to query the minimum of any range instantly. So, here is the complete process to answer a query for indices I and j. First, we look up their ranks in the suffix array. We ensure the ranks are ordered correctly. Then, we simply query the sparse table for the minimum value in the LCP array between these ranks. The result is our answer. Let's look at the efficiency. The preprocessing step, building the arrays and the table, generally takes order n log n time. However, once that is done, every query takes order 1 constant time. This is a massive improvement over the naive approach. To recap, the longest common extension problem asks for the common prefix length of 2 suffixes. By avoiding the naive linear scan and utilizing suffix arrays combined with range minimum query structures, we achieve optimal constant time queries. This technique is fundamental in advanced string processing algorithms.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.